Do you need to locate your vehicle in a car park, for example, or show someone you trust where it is? Your new vehicle comes with the very handy remote lights and horn activation service. To use this service, you need to synchronize your vehicle to the MyRenault app and set a password in the app from your smartphone. This security measure protects your vehicle in the event that someone else uses your smartphone. Open the MyRenault app and select this icon to access the function. Choose the action you want. Sound the horn only, flash the lights only, or do both. Then enter your PIN. You can also use the Touch ID function if your phone supports it. If you forget your PIN, press here and follow the steps to reset it. In just a few moments, your vehicle will receive the signal and respond to the command. It's done. These screens show you that the command has been performed. If you choose to sound the horn remotely, it will sound 3 times. In the same way, the lights will flash 3 times. Rather cleverly, your new vehicle will help you if it can't remember where you parked it.